Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to find or how to print the remainder and the quotient of two numbers. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon in VS Code, and we will write the name as, let's say, code.py. Now let's take two numbers as input onto which we want to perform these operations. Let the first number be num1. Now we want it to be casted to integer type, that's why we are writing int. And now we'll write enter the first number. Similarly, we will ask the user to enter the second number under num2 variable. And now we have got these two numbers. Now we simply know that if we want to find the division, then we can do it with the help of slash operator, and we want to find the remainder, then we can do it with the help of modulo operator. So let's create two variables. Let it be a remainder for storing the remainder of it. Then we will write num1 modulo num2, and for quotient what we will do is we will simply do num1 slash num2. Right, now let's print it like this. Remainder of num1 and num2 is remainder itself, the name of the variable. And now we'll also print quotient of num1 and num2 is comma the variable. So this is simply how we can perform these two operations. Now let's print and see if it works or not. So we'll write python filename.py. Now see, it's asking me to enter the first number. Let it be simply 10. It's asking me to enter the second number. Let it be 5. Now see the thing. In the first output, the remainder should be what? It should be 0, correct? And in the quotient should be 2. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, over here you can see that the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 2.0. The reason is it's in decimal point is because we are dividing it actually. That's why it is turning out to be in the floating point. So this is how we can perform the quotient and the remainder in Python. I hope you understood the things clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.